up, YouTube? It's your girl Sanaya, and I'm back with another video. So first I want to say thanks everybody for subscribing to my channel. Happy New Year, happy holiday. I finally got to 500 subscribers, so I'm really excited about that. Thanks for everybody who watches, who subscribes, who likes, who comments. Appreciate y'all, and it's only up from here, so stay tuned. And thank you. I could not be here without y'all. Today we are going to be unboxing my new camera and my vlogger kit that came with the camera in a bundle. And yeah, I'm very excited because this is my first camera for my channel. So yeah, I did already open it, but I decided I did want to do like an unboxing. I haven't really used it yet, so I want to do an unboxing and show y'all, like, if y'all are interested in this camera, show y'all what all it comes with, the perks and stuff of it, and things of that nature. Now first, I am not a very like tech person. I don't know much about cameras and stuff, like the details and stuff. I know like from what I've researched. So sorry if it's not as detailed as you may like, but I'm going to try to be as detailed as possible when explaining the benefits and all that stuff of the camera and the other stuff that comes with it. This is more like for like a beginner looking for a vlogging camera, because that's like the type of camera this is for, like beginners who like to vlog, things of that nature. So yeah, sorry if it's not as detailed as you would like it to be, but I'm trying. Yeah. So firstly, I have the Sony ZV-1 digital camera. And this camera was made specifically for content creators and vloggers. It is not... Smoke alarm going off. It is not only for those people, but that's who it was specifically made for. So that is like who it will work best for. Now it's not just for that, like you can also take pictures on this camera. And yeah, so yeah, I decided to get this camera after doing like a bunch of research on YouTube, on Google, looking at the reviews on like the websites you can buy it and stuff. And I finally decided on this one, and I just got this for Christmas. So yeah, I'm very excited. Haven't like I said, I opened it already, but I haven't really used it yet. So I'm going to reopen it. I put everything back in the box just like it came. Maybe not just like it came, but I put everything back in the box so that you guys could see. So this is the camera. It's how it looks. Sony. It has this thing right here that you could take out, and this is where you would put, like, you can put other things here. I'm not really sure. I've seen other people do other stuff, but I'm not sure what I would put up there. But this is like for your microphone, so like the audio on your video will be really good quality. And you just, I don't feel like really going through it right now, but you push this up in here, and then it's like a little microphone up there, and it really helps with the audio of your video, the quality, just so it sounds better. So one thing I really like about this camera is that it has the I'm not even sure exactly what this is called, but you can flip the screen so that like when you're recording, I can see myself on this screen instead of like if I didn't have this camera, I might not be able to see like where the camera is pointed, if it's even on me. Like, you know, if you can't see it, you don't know what it's showing. So that's something I really love about this camera. Okay, so before I turn it on, first it comes with a battery, and you have to put this inside of it for it to work, of course. So go ahead and put the battery in. Okay, I don't think I'm doing this right. Maybe I put it the wrong way. Okay, when you push down, it should click down. That's when you know you have it in the right way. And then you have to hold it down and then pull this thing back so that it stays in place. So I got the battery in now. I'm going to turn it on, and it automatically turns on, and then the lens extends. So yes, y'all, I'm so excited about this camera. Like I was saying before, like when you flip it this way, it shows like what you're recording. So like if I'm putting it to my face, I can see my face instead of, you know, just guessing that I have the camera at the right angle. So that's something I really love about it. Most cameras have it so where like when you flip it, it goes up instead of like to the side. This one is pretty different. It goes to the side instead of up, which is pretty cool, you know. It's no big deal to me. But this camera has like a really, really clear view that I really love. Let's see, and it has a bunch of different modes. Like for if you're taking pictures, they have modes for pictures. They have modes for different type of videos. Like if you're shooting a movie, if you want to do like a slow-mo, there's all types of different, you know, modes to put your camera in. And yeah, this is how you zoom in and out. And this camera has really good like face detection and eye detection. So like it's not gonna be blurry on your face, or it won't give you like red eyes or anything, which is something I really love because of course I show my face a lot. So yeah, that is the camera. It's pretty cool, as you guys can see. I'm loving it. I really can't wait to use it for real. And I'm also going to give y'all like a review of the camera at the end, like an initial review to show y'all what it looks like, and you know, just the different modes and stuff. Now this also comes with the USB charger, but it does not come with you know, the part you plug into the wall, which is not a big deal, but you know, usually everybody has those things around. And it comes with all the papers and instructions and stuff, which I don't really use because I like to just go straight into it. But you know, if you like to read that stuff, go ahead and read it. Now this also came with my camera because I got it as a bundle. Pretty sure it came from Best Buy. They sell it as a bundle, but this is a vlogger kit, and it comes with the what is this even called? It comes with like a little handheld tripod type thing, and it also comes with the SD card, which is pretty good, pretty cool. And some features that the grip has, you can control the camera zoom, you can start the video. Basically, like, you can control the camera just by using this thing instead of having to click the button on the camera, which is pretty convenient. It also comes with like a little bag to store it in. So yeah, and the tripod, it can be used like as a handheld thing, or you can like set it up to record a video or whatever, like a tripod. I did already put the SD card in my camera. It's just a basic 64 gigabyte SD card. Now this is the handheld tripod thing. And you can, like I said, you can hold it like this, like if you're recording, or you can extend the legs and set it up like this. So like, I want to record like this. The camera's right in front of me. I don't have to set it up on anything. And the grip thing, it connects by Bluetooth, so you do have to connect your Bluetooth to your camera. To this thing, and I did struggle with that off camera. I really had a hard time, but it was because this has it has like a little battery in it, and I didn't know it had a battery because the battery didn't come inside of it already. So I had to figure that out before, like, it wasn't, obviously it wasn't connecting because it was not really on. So figured that out, you know. But this is pretty cool. It lets you zoom in, zoom out. Click this button, you can record. This button locks it in place, I think. And then this one takes a picture. So yeah, so say if I was like vlogging, I could do like this. It moves too. I just don't know how to move it. Aha! Figured it out. It's like a little button on the side that can adjust it. It can tilt both ways, all the way, however you would like it to. But like if I was vlogging, I could do like this. and it's like a, you know, a cool little handheld thing that you can control with the buttons, which is really, really cool. That's why I wanted the bundle. You know, it's really like, what's the word I'm trying to think of? It's really compatible because it's like the same brand. Sony camera, Sony tripod, you know, make it easier for yourself. Ugh. So that's why I wanted the bundle. Now when you sit it down, you can adjust it to face you, to face the sky, to face down, to face however you would like it to. And then when you record it with your hands, you know, do like this. Ah. You feel me? This is so cool, y'all. I'm really in love with this camera. So now I'm going to give you guys an initial review. I'm going to stop recording on my phone and begin recording on my camera, just so you guys can see like how it looks in case, you know, you're interested in, want to see the quality, you know, yada yada. I'm going to change the mode to intelligent auto and set it down and stop. Okay guys, so now I'm recording on my camera. My lighting in my room right now is not the best, so that might be, it looks a little awkward right now, but I'm loving the quality. I'm loving like how clear it looks on me. I'm loving like the motion. I'm loving it all, like, so I'm not really like a camera person, so I don't know like exactly how it should look, but to me this looks really good. I'm sure it looks good on the other end. You guys can be the judge of that. But I'm loving this camera. Really good angles, really good view, really good quality. And yeah. So this is how it looks when I have it set up like this on the little tray just in front of me. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Okay, so now I kind of want to step outside to give you guys like a view of how it looks. And just to see like the different lighting, the different quality, how the camera adjusts to that. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm stepping outside and it's snowing. Well, it's not snowing right now, but it's snow outside. And the lighting looks really good. There's my dog. Feels like it's doing a good job capturing everything. I think the lighting looks good, even though I don't have professional lighting. Even outside, it looks good. So y'all see my car. Let me zoom in. Okay guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. So yeah, my initial review, I love this camera so far. The video quality is clear, it's very compact, and you know, it has great audio. I'm loving the professional look it gives my videos. And yeah, so probably be back with another review after a few months, see how I like it. And yeah, I will let you guys know, so stay tuned. Comment if you have any questions, any input on it, any suggestions. And yeah, that's it. So thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.